Style. Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. To do a dangerous thing with style is what I call art.
So what? See, Phyna, look at me. If you easy to buy too much on 1 year, run out. Run out. If you easy to buy too much on 1 year,
Maybe it's better to have one person that loves you than 10,000 people that pretend. Tell me why you love me, you love me. Tell me why you wanna stay, yeah, yeah. Stay, yeah, yeah. Tell me why you love me, you love me. Tell me why you love me, you love me. Tell me why you wanna stay. Tell me why you wanna stay. Hey. Hey, reading your messages, giving no replies. Might smoke a couple blunts just to free my mind, but I know this feeling will never fly. You and I, baby girl, you were special, I can't deny. All my life I've been a player, so it's hard to say I love you and I never leave your side. When I clearly know I can never ever do. Hey, how can you still me when you see the signs? Even when I make you jealous, you don't mind. These bitches can't have me, that's all you reply. Then I know my head, but it's hard to comply. Your body is amazing and so is your mind. Never met a girl like you in my life. Never really let any girl inside my heart, cause it's filled with hurt and life. So tell me why you love me, you love me. Tell me why you love me, you love me. Tell me why you wanna stay. Hey, tell me why they wanna stay. Hey. Tell me why you love me, you love me. Tell me why you love me, you love me. Tell me why you wanna stay. Hey, I wanna stay. Get. Bye, hate to say bye-byes. I hate to say bye-byes. Hey, I'll fucking find out no till the night time. Tell me why you love me, you love me. Tell me why you love me, you love me. I'm emotionally happy, man. Someone is acting with. Alright, guys, so, yeah, I think I've overstayed my welcome. So we're carrying this pink hair into 2023, you get me? Yes, so I thank God for my life, I thank God for your life, I thank God for every single person that's alive to see today. Yo, it's massive. Another year, man, it's a blessing. Do you get me? Do you get? Obviously, this is going to be my last time I'm coming on live for the year. And I just wanted to thank every single person here, man. Like, Groovers, I love you guys so much, man. Day ones, you guys are now family, you get me? So, yo, I love you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. We're ready to go. Alright, guys. I leave you with a party message. Remember, stay groovy, stay real, stay happy, make money. Don't be broke. Hustle, pray, and God will reward you. Woo! Guys, all right. I'm a dip now. Stay blessed, guys. Stay groovy. God loves you. Remember, God loves you. I love you if you love me too. Facts. If you love me, I love you. Alright, guys. Bye-bye.